Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to install Xbox Game Pass for PC games on your computer. Xbox Game Pass for PC was rolled out in mid-2019 and gives PC gamers access to a library of more than 100 games they can install and play at any time for a low monthly cost. If you're interested in signing up for Xbox Game Pass for PC, I have a separate video linked below that will show you how to sign up for the service. But now let's walk through the steps to install Xbox Game Pass for PC games on your computer. Step 1. Click the Windows Start menu icon to open the Start menu. Locate the Xbox app in the list and then click to launch the Xbox app. Your Xbox Game Pass for PC home screen appears. Step 2. Locate the Xbox Game Pass for PC game you want to install on your computer either through the search tool, the game genre navigation feature, or just by finding it on the home screen. Then click to open up the information screen for that specific game. Step 3. Click Install on the game information screen when you're ready to install it. A screen appears asking if you want to install this game. Verify the drive the game will be installed on and then click Install. A progress bar appears in place of the Install button showing the installation progress. Step 4. You can launch the Xbox Game Pass for PC game you just installed by either clicking play on the information screen for that game or by holding your cursor over the game icon that appears along the left edge of your screen and then clicking the play button that appears next to that game icon. A message appears informing you that the Xbox app will be minimized to the system notification tray in the lower right corner of your screen, and the Xbox Game Pass for PC game will launch. If a window appears asking for you to give this game permission to access your Xbox Live information, click Yes. Your Xbox Game Pass for PC game will launch and you can start playing. You can always get back to the Xbox Game Pass for PC app at any time by clicking the Xbox icon in your system notification tray. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.